Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss. We'll be sharing a full guide on how to hide someone's story in Messenger. If you've ever wanted to keep certain stories out of your view, this video is for you. So let's jump right into it. First things first, if you haven't already downloaded the Messenger app, head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device. In the search bar, type Facebook Messenger. Look for the app with a chat bubble icon, featuring a sideways lightning bolt and a gradient between purple and blue. Tap on it and then tap on Install to download it. Once you've installed the app, sign into your account. Enter your login credentials and you'll be directed to the Messenger home screen. Now, to hide someone's story from appearing on your feed, follow these simple steps. Tap on the Stories option located at the bottom of the screen. It's represented by a circular icon. In the Stories section, you'll see stories from your contacts. Find the contact whose story you want to hide and tap and hold on their story. After a moment, you'll see a few options appear on the screen. Look for the Hide Account's Name Story option and tap on it. And there you have it. By selecting this option, you have successfully hidden the selected contact's story. From now on, their stories won't appear in your feed. This feature is incredibly useful when you want to customize your story viewing experience and focus on the stories that matter most to you. That's all for today's full guide on how to hide someone's story in Messenger. We hope you found this information helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.